Let us try to determine which is bigger. Is it that 40 to the power 41 is bigger, or is it that 41 to the power 40 is bigger? Currently, I do not know which one is bigger number, but let's try to find out. First of all, we have 41 to the power 40 divided by 40 to the power 41. Let's try to determine this ratio, whether this is greater than 1 or is it less than 1. If this ratio is greater than 1, then I know that numerator is bigger. If this ratio is less than 1, then I know that denominator is bigger. Currently, I do not know, so I just write 41 to the power 40 divided by 40 to the power 41. But, see, I can write 41 is 40 plus 1. That will make our work a bit easier, because we will be left out with just 40 only, no 41 now. So 40 plus 1. Now we know that by law of indices, this can be written as, the denominator can be written as 40 to the power 40 into 40 only. Whereas numerator, we write it as it is, 40 plus 1 to the power 40. Okay, now we see this quantity. We look at this quantity. What you see is that we can simply write this as 1 plus 1 by 40 whole thing to the power 40. And the other quantity we write it as it is, 1 by 40 as it is. Now we have something that we can recall from limits. We know that if you know, then well and good. If you do not know, then also well and good. Limit n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity. 1 plus 1 by n to the power n is exactly equal to e. And that's less than 3. E is less than 3. So in particular, we expect that 1 plus 1 by 40 to the power 40 is exactly less than 3. It cannot be more than 3. That will solve our lot of problems. So what we are saying is that basically this is less than 3 by 40, and 3 by 40 is less than 1. So once I know that this quantity, as I said earlier, 41 by 40 is less than 1, so I know that 41 to the power 40 divided by 40 to the power 41, that's less than 1. That automatically means that 41 to the power 40 is less than 40 to the power 41. Okay, but how do we conclude that this limit that we are talking about is exactly true? Let's look at some of the example. If you know it, well and good. If you do not know, then also well and good. We are saying that limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by n, whole thing to the power n equal to e, and that's less than 3. Let's take n equal to 1. 1 plus 1 by 1 to the power 1 is 2, and 2 is less than 3. Well, this is true for n equal to 1. What about for n equal to 2? 1 plus 1 by 2 to the power 2 equal to 1.5 whole thing square. That's equal to 2.25. Well, you see that it is less than 3. So whatever value of n you take, 1 plus 1 by n to the power n is always less than 3. And so we can say that 40 to the power 41 is definitely bigger than 41 to the power 40.